So when it comes to beginning, everyone will be like getting scared. Like, what exactly do I need to know already? Or again, we are going to deal with programming and also should I know coding already, or should I should I learn everything from scratch? And also, you need not to worry of such things and all. So even if you're like, we'll be walking through a completely basic, especially when it comes to coding, and with respect to even before coding itself, we'll be learning about the installing steps and all. So everything will be going with respect to things. So again, when it comes to understanding a machine learning, there are a few basic necessities. Uh, Again, with respect to basic necessities, don't get scared. And also, like with respect to coding, everything will be learning. So what are the things? So there are basic requirements that is necessary before you dive into machine learning aspects. So you must know coding, how to code in any language. So this will be covering up everything with respect to in the next chapter. Okay, like before going into machine learning. So that's why here I'm not talking about taking up the course. Rather, I'm telling uh, diving into machine learning. Okay, so here till now we are seeing only the surface level theoretical aspect, nothing technical aspects, right? With respect to machine learning. So to before going into machine learning, we need to know about like how we need to know coding. So completely we'll be dedicating a few number of hours or many tutorials walking down through Python. So again, we'll be seeing why Python and basic understandings of statistics. So again, we'll have a chapter where we'll be dealing with respect to statistics, and as I had mentioned at the very beginning itself, so we'll be going through probability and all and distribution probability. Okay. So again, few of the other things and all will cover up what exactly is basic statistics also, and basic understanding of mathematics. Definitely, everyone knows, and like a little applied math also with respect to applied math wherever we are dealing with respect to when it comes to projects and all. So again, over there in detail it will be explained. So not to worry or get scared anything with respect to like you have no experience with respect to coding, and also you're not so good at statistics or applied mathematics. So need not to worry, everything will be covering up. So you don't need to worry anything about it. So a step by step walkthrough will be done. Where are few in few things we won't be going into deep, rather how much is required over here. Okay. So with respect to that condition, maybe we will not cover up everything about Python, but basic fundamental things which are required for our project execution, and also learning about machine learning, and same goes with respect to statistics. So we won't be dealing completely with respect to statistics and also basic addition, subtraction, and all. We won't be starting from scratch, but rather I hope those are and all are very easy ones. So all the basics you would already know, with full confidence. I can tell every single person who is taking up the course will know all this basic mathematics like addition, subtraction. That would be more than sufficient. So we'll deal with statistics and also applied statistics where and all is required. So I'll put down as simple as possible to make you understand with respect to, again, if we are dealing with any kind of formulas or any sort. So again, you need not to understand completely about what exactly it is and how exactly it is derived and all with respect to formulas. So need not to worry about that. So we'll go everything step by step. Okay. So again, as I was telling, if you do not fulfill these requirements at the moment, need not to worry, because we will be covering all the aspects of in this course. So again, you can just apply this knowledge into your programs, and you are making your concepts even more clearer. Okay. So we'll be doing everything about that. Okay. And next is, what language is the best to code in. Okay. So for beginners, Python has proven it is like the most appealing to many. So these I would debate around like English is like syntax. The syntax of Python is like English, and huge number of libraries to choose from, and it is being an open source project. So make it to like very ideal for beginners. Again, we'll see why exactly this is important in the next chapter, like why will be the. And there are other programming languages also which can be used for developing machine learning applications. But for this course, we'll stick with Python itself. So again, other application codes are like one is R, and also for data visualization and all, you can use MATLAB. Okay. So those who are interested, once taking up this course, later on you can go and check with respect to that, because the fundamental machine learning concepts remains the same irrespective of which language you are using. Okay, so that's all with respect to the first chapter. We'll be dealing with why about programming and why exactly Python will be using uh, for our programming. So all the best for every single one to taking up this course, and let us move on to our next chapter.